Samhain blessings. The veil is lifted so we may see what is lurking in the dark of our conscious reality. Candles and fires are lit in hearth and home. We gather to sit in sacred circle and pray hymns and ohms. The fallen leaves are turning brown, crunching beneath our feet, requiring us to look down without a frown, but with joyful glee, cherishing all our memories. Lessons learned, wisdom gained, with a deep sigh of relief on a floating leaf of gratitude we exhale, allowing the autumn breeze to carry our experiences back into the mystery where seeds are germinated, creating new life of possibility. Letting go as we sip the last drop of tea, smiling softly, sweetly, feeling fulfilled, no longer longing. Quiet forest walks in solitude. No one knows we are there except the soul of the place that resides in the silence of the woodland cathedral, a holy space. We lay our bodies down to the earth, feeling the warmth of the decomposing leaves cradling our flesh. The river encircles our aura, moon shining overhead like a goddess who knows secrets and guides us back to remembering. Cool wind on our skin, letting go while we take it all in. The beating of our hearts, speaking the language of reciprocity. The vibratory symphony, harmonizing with mycelium and roots of ancient trees. Even the bees carry these frequencies. We are home among our family, those living and deceased, those below and those above, within and without, Samhain blessings of death and rebirth. Samhain blessings.